Hey guys, we're about to go check out Kumbalangi's bioluminescence, which happens once a year?
I don't know.
She doesn't know! But she's dying because she's having her lady issues. Oh, poor thing. My poor baby.
Yeah, Kumbalangi.
She's gonna get a nice back rub later and a massage. Say hello. So yeah, we're gonna go to Kumbalangi and check out the bioluminescence. So this is called, I want to say Kuvaru in Malayalam, and it happens due to algae bloom. And what it does is it lights up the water with like bioluminescent colours, and it gathers quite a crowd, and a lot of people are saying we should go check it out, so we're gonna go check it out.
What do you mean, what is the song I know? I know trillion, billion songs.
What was it we can both sing up to? What about Beatles song?
American Pie?
What's that?
Bye bye, Miss American Pie. From the Chevy to the levee, but the levee was gone. And good old boys are drinking whiskey and wine, singing this'll be the day that I die. The day that I die. Dun, 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 dun. Did you write the book of love, and do you have faith in God above?
As they took his soul, they stole his bride.
Not sure where to go, but there's a bunch of motorbikes heading this way, so
Seems pretty obvious.
we think it's this way.
We're just following the crowd. Gonna
But we're a bit confused as to, oh jeez, sorry.
Busy.
Vroom vroom is right.
Bioluminescence party, bioluminescence party. So the bike crew have stopped, officially pulled over.
This is not the right spot. Namaskaram. Did you guys see the plankton?
That was very light, not
Light?
intense.
Oh, not intense.
Not very intense.
Okay. Where can you go to see that's intense?
Where?
Everywhere we see it was light only, not.
Lighter.
Maybe after 10 o'clock it might go.
Ah, yeah, someone
okay,
said
later.
at 11 p.m.
At 11?
Yeah. I seen
What
on,
should we
on
do?
the website 11.
Okay, should we go? We can get food or something and wait till.
Maybe.
Let's see. Thank you. Nani.
Nani.
Should we like at least go this way to see what's going on? Okay.
Yeah, you can see.
Okay.
There are some people over there. You can.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. I can kind of see. Oh yeah. Namaskaram. Wow.
Oh.
That's cool. Apparently it's too early to see how bright the plankton can be or the algae can be, so we're gonna come back at 11.
We see it. We definitely see it.
We definitely see it, but it's more bright. It's super at 11. And so now these
Well, he said
locals are actually gonna take us to see another spot that we can go a little bit later on.
And he said secret spot.
A secret spot. Woo la la.
Oh, he's getting ready to go in.
Oh, he is. Okay. Okay.
This is the hidden spot.
Ooh, his special spot. All right. So he's stepping in now. Oh, wow.
What?
Wow.
The heart shape.
Oh, that's so cool. It is brighter here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can step it.
Can I see?
You want to see?
Anda. Clear?
Not more.
This is not very good with this camera. Wow. That's so cool. So this is algae.
Yeah? Yeah, it's kind of fungi or something.
Nice.
Once a year.
Just inside you smash it will be even brighter.
Go again,
Inside
babe.
water.
inside the middle part of the water?
No. Just not
Deeper,
on the top
deeper.
one.
Deeper.
You can smash it from deeper. So it's
So it's all fungi and algae.
yeah.
Oh, I see.
Wow, do it again.
Yeah.
So, yeah, you're right. Deeper is... Wow. Oh, that's so cool. Woo!
Wow, look at baby girl in her helmet in the water.
Huh?
Take it in your hand.
Okay.
And then smash it.
Like this?
This is the firework.
Yes! Oh, we're going to that in Talab. Oh my gosh, Keenan, this is like
Actually,
a fire.
You need to come.
We'll have to come for sure. Oh yeah, we've heard such amazing things about it. Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Wait. Let's put more down.
Keenan. Wow. He's really going crazy.
अभी क्या काम है?
Go a little deeper.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right.
Now the people that showed us the good spot are taking us to a place to have some dinner together. That looked dope. We should go there. Yeah, that was it. Okay, so we met some new friends and some helmet hair, and they are gonna go to dinner with us. And I'm gonna try not to get run over. And then at 11, we're gonna come back and see the algae much brighter. And look at this place. Looks pretty cool. Look at that. Nice place. Wow, hey. Keenan was going barefoot because he's a nymph. Tomorrow, actually, we're going to the Blasters game.
Yeah, we are also.
Are you guys going to the Blasters game? Oh, nice.
This last game I went to.
Let's see. It's gonna be packed, isn't it?
Wow.
Oh my, it's gonna be crazy.
So we're here. We sit here.
This is Mannapada stands.
Okay.
Down. And some food. So cool.
Curry beef roasted, beef fry, chicken burrito, chicken 65. Fry und roast one. Lindan beef 65 on
He loves Prashnavilia. Just jug of water?
I just remember that you were, when she was saying like we are going to try parota and beef, and you were like dancing with that.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? What's this?
Yeah, with this.
That's in the morning when we have more energy.
Yeah.
I don't got energy right now.
You got energy right now.
Kind of, not really. I was dying before this, wasn't I, babe? Actually, I have way more life now.
Hey.
Hey,
So these are our new friends.
we got some new friends, which is so cool.
Hi.
So nice, and they showed us the secret spot for the algae.
Secret spot.
Woo! All right, cool, and we're gonna get some food together. Yeah. So, what are you trying to learn, Keenan, huh?
So we were learning about left hand and right hand eating, and this left hand is used to wipe your bum in blatant terms, and this hand is to use to eat. So
Okay.
you don't pick up with your bum hand and eat.
No one wants a bum hand, all right, on their food.
But we also learned today that there was a deeper meaning
Okay.
to the right hand eating, and it was to do with Ayurveda, and each finger represents something, and by eating the food with the right hand, you're connected to the food.
Oh, interesting. Very interesting.
This is chicken fry. Chicken fry,
Okay.
and this one is chicken parrot.
What is that?
Chicken parrot.
Chicken parrot.
It's a kind of like chicken dish.
Chicken dish.
Yeah.
Well, give me a little more detail now.
Oh,
Come on now.
It's like a roasted chicken
roasted chicken, like little bit spicier and
in a sauce.
yeah.
Nice. This sounds good.
And this one is beef fry.
Oh.
You must have tried beef fry with
Yeah.
Porota.
Yeah.
Yes. Keenan's gonna have the coveted beef fry and paratha.
Here we go. And I have to keep,
Malayali's pride and joy.
this is how I do my right hand eating. I keep this arm down here so I can't get it involved. And then I use this finger. But I find the paratha is the hardest to break up.
Let's see.
You can
Like
mix
this.
it with this.
All right, Keenan.
And then
You can mix it with some. Take it, take it.
Wonderful. Let's see his breaking of the paratha. Let's see your skills. Good? Yeah.
that is good.
All right, let's see your skills. See what he's got. See what he's working with.
Wow.
Yeah.
That was quick.
For me, I'll
That
take
was
this
real.
to
That was quite good. He's a skilled man. There he goes. Okay, my important question is how come restaurants here are called hotels?
It's a tricky question, but we are used to it.
I know, but I want to know.
Even we don't know.
Because at a hotel, I think like, obviously like somebody is staying there
Yeah.
as well and sleeping.
For accommodation, it's called a hotel.
Okay.
I don't know. Even
From
here-
earlier onwards, they are
Even
calling
we are
actually
used to it.
same.
Really? So
see.
in India, it's common to call a restaurant a hotel.
Barkala. It was hot, but we had the breeze, the sea coming. Whereas Kochi, I got back and I'm just like, oh my god, I'm dripping.
You are in Palakkad, no?
You will feel the real real heat.
Shit. Oh god.
He's British, you can't handle it. A nice little wave. Wait. Wow! Wait, I want to talk.
Slow. Jump.
Oh my god. Kaden, watch your lucky. I'm afraid your thing's gonna come out. Okay, your turn. One, 2, 3, 4. This move seems like it's right up your alley. Watch your arm, Keenan. Cool.
Are you ready?
Your phone, it seems way worse. Oh wait, it's way better.
How is that? So we have just arrived back from Kumbalangi. We went and seen the bioluminescence and it was really great. I've never seen anything like that in my life. Oh, sorry, burp. I've never seen anything like that in my life. It was, I don't know, it was cool. Like, swish around and loads of lights come out. Lights in the water. It's crazy. It's pretty crazy. But we met some great people, and that was the main attraction. We went out for some dinner with them, and we found out that they're from Palakkad, and they have invited us to Asia's biggest firework festival on the 2nd of April. So we're going to take them up on that offer and see what it's about. Stay tuned to see the firework festival in Palakkad.
And in case anyone's asking, which I know they're not, I'm feeling a little bit better, but I'm ready for bed. Ready for bed.